Hello everyone, so here is interesting app called Spoff, identify phishing and spam calls. It's climbed to the top charts of social networking, and with this app you can easily identify spam and unknown calls. You can identify telemarketers and other spam callers and block them instantly. Blacklist numbers can be blocked faintly and without ringing. This robocall blocker can reject calls and SMS from any unknown number and keep you from being bothered. When you want to change a contact on your blacklist, you can easily pull it out or add it to your whitelist. So yeah, that's basically the idea. You just install the app here, and then yeah, you can see some screenshots. Stop annoying numbers from disturbing. Unlimited blacklist. And then yeah, you can just start to create an account. Get rid of unwished calls, easily set up the blacklist and don't be bothered anymore. Create a blacklist with annoying numbers and block them. So create unlimited blacklist with more than 10 numbers. It's 3-day free trial, then $39.99 per month. If you get a lot of robocalls, you can use that. Or maybe there is some free version, very limited free version. So yeah, here you can just start setting it up. Enable Spoff features, opera settings, phone call blocking and notification, enable Spoff. So yeah, just to do that, you need to first do these settings. So open settings, phone. So let's just search for a phone in the settings. So phone. What else? Call blocking and identification. And then here you can just enable this app. Allow call blocking and identification apps to block calls and provide caller ID. These apps are not able to access any information about your incoming calls. So yeah, that's what you can do here. And then you can just set up block calls. Yeah, something interesting. And then here you have your blacklist. There are no number. You can add some numbers here already and then there are some settings. Yeah, that's basically how it works. And then in any occasion, you can just reach out to their support. That's the idea here. Yeah, and then you can just start blocking some calls. If someone, calling you from like Microsoft support center, or someone offering you some insurances, or I don't know, like some coverages, all of that, like robocalls, maybe this app can be helpful. I didn't use it before. I don't know if it works in US or if it works internationally, also in Europe, UK, Australia, or Canada. So have no idea, but maybe it can be helpful as it climbs in the top charts already in the social networking category. So also we can just go through reviews. There are only like 70 ratings. And then, yes, there are some pretty nice reviews. For over a year, I have been getting calls from local numbers saying you recently stayed at one vacation. It helps a lot. So some people say it's actually scammy. Some people say it's helpful. So yeah, maybe it's not yet that many reviews in this app to completely make a decision, but definitely give it a try if you feel that you're super annoyed with all these robocalls.